Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that might affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.97. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.82%. This equates to an average return of 0.22% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper end of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an appealing selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $538.04 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.77% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.76% to 9.08%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 30.61% over the next year, with a potential return between 22.05% and 30.93%. This translates to a price range between $654.82 and $702.49 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for VOO. The VOO ETF price experienced a decline of 0.154% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of October, 2024. It decreased from $537.36 to $536.53. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.731%, ranging from a low of $533.71 to a high of $537.61. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.8% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign as volume should generally follow the ETF. On that day, the trading volume fell by 741,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $538.76, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 0.41%, or $2.23, below the 52-week high of $538.76, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 recently closed lower, reflecting a broader trend impacting exchange-traded funds like VOO. Despite this dip, some analysts remain optimistic, with predictions suggesting the index could reach 6,000 by year-end, emphasizing a potential recovery. However, contrasting views from Goldman Sachs caution that the stock market's historic run may soon end. Their analysis points to a future where annual returns may be capped at just 3% over the next decade, a stark shift from the robust gains of the past. This mixed sentiment creates a complex environment for VOO. In the short term, the forecast of a possible rise to 6,000 could drive investor interest and temporarily boost VOO's price, as optimistic traders might buy on the dip. However, Goldman Sachs's warnings of limited long-term growth may prompt a more cautious approach from investors, potentially leading to volatility as they reassess their strategies. As VOO represents a basket of the S&P 500's top companies, its performance will likely reflect these broader market sentiments. Investors will need to weigh short-term opportunities against long-term outlooks, particularly in light of evolving economic conditions and the challenges highlighted by Goldman Sachs. The balance between these predictions will ultimately dictate VOO's trajectory in the coming months and years. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $535.29 and $521.99. A drop below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 18, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.154%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or ME. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 45 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 30 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 227 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Overall, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with its strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.90 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.731%. In the last week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 0.724%. Now, let's examine some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $537.07. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a purchase. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $522.74. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $516.79, reflecting a decline of 3.68%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by 58 cents and start trading at $535.95. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.